Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wanted to hide your active now status on Instagram? Maybe you don't want people to see when you're online. In this video, I'll show you how to turn that off quickly and easily. Just follow these steps. The first steps is go to settings. First of all, open Instagram and navigate to your profile. Now tap the three lines, horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then go to privacy or go directly to active status. Now you can toggle here whether you want to show your activity status or not. You can allow your accounts, the accounts you follow, and anyone you message to see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram app. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. Just toggle between off and off, switch between off and off again, on and off again. And just like this, you turned off the activity status. The third step is to understand the impact. Remember, if you turn off your activity status, you also won't be able to see when others are online. And Instagram won't notify others when you disable this feature, so you can do it discreetly. And that's it. That's how you can easily hide your active now status on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you have any other Instagram related questions. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.